Doon tayo sa malapit sa water. Doon. Sa Niagara Falls, yeah.
They're down there.
Hanggang Niagara Falls. Ano nga makawakan yan, G?
Get extra height.
Saan? Kalson mo, malaglag.
Panis ko.
Yung kalson daw niya. Walang garter.
Oh, look at the open space.
Ay, that's one.
Dad, look at some nest.
Okay.
There, just the nest. Dad, this is mine?
Dito, we'll check the water.
Oh, I think this is a parking lot.
Yeah, it is a parking lot.
Here, take it down there. But it's closed, eh?
This is the, ano ba to? Ito na ba yung end ng Niagara Falls? Ito yung nanggagaling ng tubig, ano? This is the water came from. Hey! Hey! Go! Nga si mami na yun, hey! Okay, wait, mag-ano ako ng ano? I will make some ano.
Right over your head.
To get it? Hey, 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 hey.